It's really, really amazing to be able to be studying in such a beautiful place, but also be able to go out and explore and learn about these places as well.
Living on an island, it doesn't get better than that.
I could not believe it. Just the mountains, being in the ocean, the reef, beaches, waterfalls. I mean, you have everything here.
Como mai maloko mai oko, yeah? Come and be a part of this experience at UH Hilo.
The University of Hawai'i Hilo is the most diverse four-year institution in the United States. And what does that say? All different perspectives.
It's always more tough being international because it's a new culture. It's a new language for me at least. I mean, especially in the beginning, you need help.
Everyone loves international students and everyone is willing to help us.
When you first arrive to UH Hilo, we have an orientation especially for international students. So the first people you meet when you arrive to UH Hilo are a bunch of international students.
I immediately found that I fit in somewhere.
As an international student, even though you're so far away from home, you still feel that you are part of a family and a community.
What makes University of Hawaii at Hilo unique is that there is this very inclusive, welcoming type of atmosphere.
We really care for each other. We are this tight-knit, small university where we have each other's backs and we comfort and support each other.
Why I chose to come to UH Hilo is just the fact that it has smaller classroom sizes, which allows you to be one-on-one with the professor. You really get that attention, so you're not lost amongst the crowds like you would be in a much larger university.
Positioned here on the Big Island to do place-based learning. So for myself, I take my students out to go and have that hands-on experience, learning from practitioners in real life. We understand how valuable that hands-on experience is.
It's significantly more straightforward to be able to go out into the field with our students and have a specific set of opportunities for them because it's a small group and we can take everybody out and really experience what's happening and learn a lot about our island home.
If you're a marine biologist, you have the ocean. If you're a geologist, you can go to the volcano. And if you're a linguist, you have many people to talk to that speak many different languages.
At the Marine Science Department, you can study the water, you can study algae, you can study corals. There's a marine mammals lab, so you can study whales and dolphins. I personally research coral reefs and have had amazing opportunities being able to dive and collect data from coral reefs in various different ways.
Well, for what I'm studying geology, I mean, we have an active volcano just a couple of miles down the road. So it's great that we can go to the volcano and we can take some data sampling. What we learn in class, we can then apply it in the field.
The Big Island is just the most beautiful place in the world.
And there's never-ending activities that you could do.
I really like it, going to the beach, going surfing. There's a bunch of fun stuff to do here.
You could, if you wanted to, go swimming in the morning and go to the mountain in the afternoon all in one day. You could go from one side of the island to the other side of the island in one day.
Having students come from all these different countries and cultures and experiences, it's so valuable to the classroom, the learning.
When we have discussions and are able to contribute in sharing where we come from, who we are, who our families are, that's what makes the experience rich for all of us.
If you're thinking about coming to UH Hilo, please do so, because I think you will have an experience that you'll never forget. You'll enhance our lives and hopefully we'll enhance yours.
Coming to UH Hilo was the best decision I've ever made.
With UH Hilo, I grew as a person immediately as soon as I came here. It's what's led me into actually getting my bachelor's degree and succeeding.
Don't be afraid, expand your horizons, take that big leap and come to an island in the middle of the ocean.
I extend to you my aloha and look forward to seeing you here in Hilo.
There's no more loving and welcoming place than UH Hilo. You belong here even before you thought you belonged here. Welcome to UH Hilo.
Noa kahale. Yeah, we open up our home to you to bring what you have to offer at the University of Hawai'i at Hilo.